Hello students, today I am going to start new lesson of Behave, the road not taken. In this video I will tell you short explanation of this lesson, so let's start the topic. The poet name is Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes the poem simply common and ordinary experience. Okay. In this poem there is a 4 stanza. So let's start the first stanza. Once the poet was walking down a road and then there was a diversion. There were 2 different paths and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that as he one person he could travel on one road only. He had to choose one out of these 2 roads. Yellow wood means a forest with leaves which are wearing out and they have turned yellow in color. It represents a world which is full of people, where people have been living for many years. They represent people who are older than the poet. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully, as far as he could see it. Before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Was it suitable for him or no? He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. It happens in our life also. When we have choice, we have alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them. We take the time to think about the advantage or disadvantage, whether it is suitable for us or not. Only when we take a decision on what path we should choose. So students, now come to the second stanza of this lesson. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that in one path for a long time, check if it is the right path for him or not, and then he decided and started walking on another path because he felt that the both paths were equally good. He says just as fair, so he felt that both paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him, so he chooses it as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused. Not many people had walked on this path earlier. That's mean why this path was grassy, and wanted where means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that the both paths had been worn out of the same way. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life also, we take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. Now come to the third stanza of this lesson. The poet wants to say that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he knew that one way leads on the another way, he knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. So now come to the fourth stanza of this lesson. He says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were 2 options for him, and he traveled on that road which had been traveled upon by lesser number of people. That decision of this decide his future. Similarly, in future when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young, you had 2 options. The choice that you made made by you, what you become of it, what you became of it. This is a very strong message for all the students that you should be wise and be careful while making choice out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends on the choice that you make today. So students, with this we come to the end of this lesson, and I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.